Technology in Focus, highlighting the amazing research and technology that are open to investors. Learn about it here at the UNT Murphy Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation.
My name is Haifeng Zhang. I'm a professor at Department of Mechanical Engineering, and my background is on solid mechanics, vibration, and smart sensors, energy harvesters, and structural monitoring. So in nuclear engineering, there are a lot of completely enclosed metal container, and for instance, nuclear pressure vessel, and piping, or nuclear waste canister. So people want to know what happened inside those enclosed containers. For instance, what is the pressure, what is the temperature, what is the gas concentration, what is humidity inside, which is used to store nuclear waste. Because those information give us a clear picture on the health status of those nuclear waste, whether it has caused any harmful to the environment, any possibility for leak. So those information are very critical. However, because the container is enclosed, so it's very hard to drill a hole to connect wire out, because that will cause nuclear radiation leak. And also, it's very hard to do wireless communication because the metal container actually shielded electromagnetic wave. So what we try to solve this problem is we design an ultrasonic through-wire communication system. So using a few piezoelectric transducer that is installed inside and also outside the container. And so those transducers can actually communicate with each other through the wall based on the vibration and based on ultrasonic principle. So in this way, we don't need to open the container, we don't need to drill a hole on the container, and we still can measure what inside the canister, right? What is the pressure, temperature, and so we can measure the information inside from outside. Ultrasonic through transmission technique has been developed a few years ago. However, the disadvantage is that it cannot operate in high temperature, harsh environment conditions. So for nuclear engineering, there are a lot of applications that need high temperature environment. For instance, the canister, the temperature can be more than 280 degrees C. So the innovative part of our invention is that we use high temperature transducer that can operate at temperature more than 350 degrees C. So that is sufficient to perform the ultrasonic through transmission at high temperature, harsh environment. So this is one thing. And so the other innovative point is that we have invented a sensor that can be excited from outside the container and also can obtain the sensor information from outside. So actually it's a through-wire sensing concept. So such concept has not been developed in the past. We certainly need industry partners who can help us to commercialize this technique. And from what I see right now, there's no such commercial available ultrasonic through-wire sensing system available in the market. But it's really needed for a lot of industries such as energy industry, chemical industry, food production industry, and also aerospace, spacecraft. And so I hope we have an industry partner that can help us develop the electronics, for instance, harsh environment electronics. And also the industry partner can actually help us to do the marketing, help us to put this technology into a product, help us to continue to develop this technology and to make it a completely self-contained sensing system.